Another day, another English lesson. Comments on actions. It was, plus adjective, plus of, plus person, plus infinitive. Hello everyone. We use the structure it was plus adjective plus of plus person plus infinitive to express an opinion about someone's actions. This is very common in English for polite comments or gentle criticism. How the structure works. It was starts the sentence. Adjective shows your feeling or opinion about the action. Kind, rude, generous, thoughtless, polite, careless, brave, etc. Of plus person tells who did the action. Infinitive describes what the person did. Examples. A. It was kind of Maria to bring extra notebooks. B. Yes, that really helped me. A. It was rude of him to interrupt the meeting. B. I agree, that wasn't polite. A. It was nice of the neighbor to water the plants for us. B. Yes, that was very thoughtful. A. It was thoughtless of the student not to return the library book. B. Yes, it caused a problem for the next person. You can use this pattern to thank someone, criticize politely, or comment on someone's actions. Now, watch and complete the sentences with adjective plus of plus person plus infinitive. Use the words in parentheses. They are not always in the correct order. One. It was thoughtful of the bus driver to wait for the passengers in the rain. 2. It was brave of the firefighters to go into the burning building. 3. It was kind of her to give her umbrella to the man. 4. It was rude of the barista to ignore the customer's question. 5. It was generous of the farmer to share his vegetables with the neighbors. 6. It was silly of the cat to climb so high in the tree. 7. It was careless of him to drop the boxes. 8. It was polite of the student to thank the librarian for her help. 9. It was helpful of the volunteers to pick up the litter in the park. "10. It was thoughtless of him to park in front of the fire hydrant." Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more lessons.